Good evening, ma'am. My name is Wilma Miranda. I am 47 years old from Property Gisan, Bansod Oriental, Mindoro. I am married and I have 3 kids. My firstborn is 25 years old. The second one is 22 years old. And the eldest is 17 years old. I worked in Lebanon for 2 years and 7 months duration of 2005 until 2007 September. And another one is I work in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia from 2009 until 2016. I worked there as a nanny for an 8 months old baby, starting from 8 months old and until she became 7 years old. And I also took care of her brother who is an autistic child. And another one, my last work is from Qatar, starting 2016, May 2016 until March 2024. I took care of 3 kids, 3 girls, and I do the laundry and the ironing and the cleaning. And I'm also taking them to school. Thank you and hoping to work with you.